Yes, everything looks good. Good, good. Pump or dump? Bitcoin. What is going to happen this week? Are we going to see Bitcoin go to that $58,000 that I've been talking about here on this platform? Or maybe we're going to see Bitcoin dump. Whatever the case is, Bitcoin is going to move the market. Bitcoin will go somewhere, be it up or down. Up is pump, down is dump. The question is, are you going to be there to make the gains when it goes up or to be safe when it goes down? What I do on this channel is help you understand market structure, understand market dynamics, understand how the market moves to protect you from losing money to the big whales out there. There are whales, there are big dogs out there waiting to steal, eat, snatch your money from you. So I want to help be there for you because this guy have stolen a lot of my money, guys. Trust me. They've stolen a lot of my money, and I don't want them to keep stealing people's money like that. You know what I mean to say. Like crypto is a player, it's a player to player game. Not only crypto, like stocks, anything you like. Someone is always willing to pay at a higher price, right? And if say someone is always willing to pay at a higher price, then you don't want to be that person. You want to be willing to pay at the cheapest price always. So today we're going to discuss on all this. If say you are new on this platform, you are watching the Betong Crypto. I'm your guy, the Betong, always here to share with you guys amazing stuff going in the market and help you maximize profit, help you make money, cap l'argent in this crypto space. So maybe someday you're gonna guys are gonna maybe I'm gonna become a billionaire from you guys. Like most of you guys are gonna make a lot of money and give me the money to keep for you. That's just an aside. But guys, you like, whenever I put on, something like this is from Africa. I like this my dress. At times I want to bring it here, so you guys can see. I'm like, this is an African guy. Yeah, African regalia. Something like that. So if you like this, just comment below. You know. Before we continue, I just want to welcome those who recently joined my channel. I can see that my channel is going like crazy. Like I love to see that people are subscribing to my channel. Let's take this channel to 10,000, 20,000 subscribers. Very soon, we're going to hit 5,000. And I mentioned that I want to do one of my biggest giveaway. I want to get to 5,000. Okay, I really want to appreciate my community and give them back something. So let's get to 5,000. I'm going to do a big giveaway. And also, I want to do a big giveaway when I get to 10,000. Let's even push the channel to get to 100,000 subscribers. Yeah, that we can do. I think we can do just that. But you are welcome here on the Betong's Crypto. I'm your guy, the Betong. I always create content to help people out there, to, as I mentioned, to be successful in this space. And if say you are a returning subscribers, you know your place. You are awesome. You are the best. Because of you, I'm here. And because of you, others are able to be here as well. And those of you who are struggling, you are struggling to make it in crypto. You just want to make it. You want to be successful in this game. Be patient. Work with me, and I'll take you there. All right, guys, having said that, let's dive into the juicy part of the show, HODL or sell off, insight from live Bitcoin. Let's look at the market. I'm gonna like there's some stuff we're gonna look. I'm gonna look at some stuff on Twitter. Those of you who haven't yet followed me on Twitter, do make sure you follow me on Twitter because if you don't follow me on Twitter, it's like you want to be somewhere. I don't want to be another way. You have to be everywhere. Like look at what I'm doing on Twitter and other places. So we're gonna look at crypto bubbles. Look at Twitter. We're gonna look at the chart. We're gonna look at some insight on what is going on in the market. Then I'm gonna share with you guys some alpha tips or ideas that you can put in your mind to help you move on with your investment. We are here to go together, and I want to be able to help you. I don't know if say I've shared this stream to my community. Let me see if I can share this to my community right now. Um, I think I haven't shared this to my community right now. Let me share this, guys. 1 minute. Join me live now. Okay. Um, I won't say that. Let's just dive right away to this. Okay. Now, this is crypto bubbles. If say you don't know what crypto bubble is, it is what? What am I seeing like this? AGIS is up 164%. Oh boy. Hey, for the past week. This is what I'm talking about crypto. Like crypto. When you are following the right people, they'll give you the right gems. And this top 400 and means there are still opportunities in these coins. I want to do a deep dive, guys, on the top 500 or like the top 400 to 500 coins so that we can cash. I think like not only that, we've reviewed the top 500 coins. I want to make sure we like every day touch on one of the top 500 coins to see what they are doing so we can find opportunities. I think we can do this together. Let's focus on it. But look at these gains for the week. This coin is up 165%. Let's just go for the day. Let's see what's going on. Okay, looking at what is going on right now for the day, the crypto bubble doesn't really shows that the market is looking green. The market is more red. So let's go to the top 100 coins to see the flavor from the top 100 coins for the day. Okay, looking at the top 100 coins for the day, just some few are doing so well, like ARO, SC. Also this coin, STRK, Filecoin. So just some few good guys are doing well. ApeCoin also is struggling. I mean, like we are not seeing that crazy gains like 30%, 40% from the top 100 coins. Why is this? Just 4%, 2%, 5%. What is actually going on? Like, see, Ago is up just about 2%. So what is actually going on? Why is this not giving us exactly what we need? Well, it's because of this. The alpha is not. It's not happy. The alpha is. Let me bring the alpha here. What am I do I have here? I'll be calling this coin has been. Yeah. What? Bitcoin just fly like that? Can Bitcoin just do this? Okay. Guys, Bitcoin are just boom. What? What? Okay, now, okay, now Bitcoin are just invalidated what I wanted to say, not dump, pump. But um, I think I must have mentioned a couple of times that Bitcoin is going to go to 58,000. And why others are calling for Bitcoin to go to maybe the down? I don't know, like how far they want Bitcoin to go, but I do believe that Bitcoin is going to go to that price point. And I also have mentioned where Ethereum is going, 3,300. So if say you are investing in Bitcoin, you're holding Ethereum, then you should be rest assured that these coins are going to fly. Now, whenever Bitcoin does something like this, there are some coins that follow Bitcoin. And I want to follow those coins right now with you guys. You can see a coin like STX, they follow Bitcoin's move. So guys, I think like let's apply what I teach every day. Let's go right now to crypto bubbles because it's very important. Let's look at the first 50 minutes to see the coin that haven't yet pumped. Because I myself, I want to trade right now. So I want to go to this, check the 50 minutes time frame, you know. Then I look at coins from the top 100 coins that haven't yet pumped. Bitcoin is up 1% at least for the past 15 minutes. So which coins for the top 100 coins haven't yet pumped yet? So let's see. Let's get. HBAR hasn't yet pumped. Argo hasn't yet pumped. Let's see. Well, let's see. I'm gonna look for a coin that I am holding to see if say I can get some. Right now, ApeCoin hasn't yet pumped. So let's see. Let's see which coin haven't yet pumped. Okay, I think that most of the coins are are moving alongside Bitcoin on the, you can see, except of ICP, and ICP has been down today. Okay, let's go to ICP. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's go to ICP right now. ICP has been down today like crazy. Let's just go to ICP and see what we got there. I want to buy ICP right, like I'm talking about like right now. So I want to look at the chart of ICP, before I go, guys. Sorry, we this just hijack the. Of course, this is part of the show, anyways. Let's see ICP. Let's do it live and get some flavor from this show. Oh, it's taking so much time to load. Oh boy, ICP. It's taking so much time to load. Okay, now guys, I'm buying ICP. Yeah, for sure. I'm like buying ICP because of what Bitcoin just did. I'm like buying ICP because I think ICP is gonna pump. Like, let me just buy ICP so I can cover most of my losses. Right now I'm using my phone. Buy some ICP. Let me see. Actually, I didn't have ICP. This was madness. Come on, how come? Buy some ICP. I'm buying ICP with my phone, so bear with me. ICP. Oh boy. I don't know why Bybit always give me. Guys, I'm buying this with Bybit. If say you don't yet have Bybit, go to the description of this video. You're gonna have Bybit. I always encourage you guys to use my link to buy. To register with Bybit or any other exchange out there is also a way to support this platform. And in the future, those who are using my affiliate link are gonna have more benefits. Especially when I'm gonna be doing most of my programs. Those who are registered with my links are going to be one of the ones that are going to have it for free. So register with my link. I just bought ICP right now, but I think ICP is going to pump. But like looking at, let me just first of all be sure of, like, let's confirm this Bitcoin pump, because anyway, they say always respect the pump. Regardless of what is going on, respect the pump. So I'm going to respect that pump. But now the market will be open in, like, let's say 45 minutes, and we are seeing Bitcoin doing this. Doing this in UK session, going to that price point. But I want to be to confirm, like, let's confirm that this is gonna be. Anyway, I bought ICP already, but I want us to confirm that actually Bitcoin is gonna do what Bitcoin is gonna do, right? So um if this trend has to continue, right, then Bitcoin, the price have to hold on this 5-day moving average on the 50-minute time frame. If Bitcoin price is not able to hold and this vector candles is eating completely, because right now price before the next 50 minutes, price is gonna go retrace back to this area, yeah, or price is gonna continue, but maybe price will retrace back to this moving average before price continue. That's what I think is gonna happen, anyways. But if say price recover all this candle, this green candle, if it's eating all back and price came back down here, then I'm gonna call it a fake move. But anyways, some other altcoins are gonna pump. Like Ethereum has pumped already, going to about, yeah, $3,000. Ethereum was down here. Like, guys, at times I'm so excited about myself. The other day I was saying to my wife that, oh, I'm so like, you remember? Can you remember what I mentioned about Ethereum? And she said, yes, I remember. I mentioned, yeah, that was back then. Ethereum was still below 2,500. Like, I said that Ethereum is going to 3,300, and some people might not understand why I say so. I've done videos explaining why I say so. Now, the reason why I think that this pump here might be a fake pump, like, yeah, let me not say a fake pump, yeah, all right, because the volume here, I'm looking at Trendillo, is above 0.2, meaning we are gonna see these vector candles being eaten up. The market makers are the one pumping the price right now. You can see these green candles. It means they are preparing to take price down. So they are building short, looking at these vector candles. Now, are we going to confirm that the market is going to dump from here or it's going to pump? So let's look at Bitcoin on the Bitcoin on the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, on the 4 hours time frame. So looking at Bitcoin on the 4 hours time frame, what can we see here? It's very important we pay attention to what we can see here. And I'm going to explain to you guys what I can see here. What I can see here is that Bitcoin is going to break structure on the 4 hours time frame. Or to make it even more clearer, Bitcoin is going to break structure or has already broken structure on the 2 hours time frame. Okay? And looking now on the 2 hours time frame, what I want Bitcoin to do is close above this line. Let me draw this line here. Bitcoin, no matter what Bitcoin does, price should stay above this line. Like, if price stays above that line, the next 2 hours, or still the next 1 hour, or still the next 15 minutes, right? If price stays above that line, like price should come on that line and price should bounce on that line. If price is not able to do just that, sorry to say that, some altcoins are going to dump as well. Maybe we might see a Bitcoin dump, Maybe we might see a Bitcoin dump, and some altcoins are going to dump as well. So we have to be prepared. Looking at what Bitcoin is doing, you can see we just saw. Okay. Now, look at what I mentioned. You see, price has just hit that line I drew, and that was close to the 5-day moving average. Now I'm beginning to confirm that this is a real pump, right? And price should stay above that line. If price break that line, then I'm gonna invalidate everything. But still, I bought my ICP. I bought my ICP. My ICP is cooling. It's cooling in my closet. So now let's look at crypto bubbles again, because we guys, if you have any coin that you want me to look at, please, maybe Dogecoin to, I think, guys, sorry, I wasn't checking my charts. Let me check my chart. Jimmy, Duhan, Zo up 24% since yesterday. Okay, please let Baby Doge go to 8. We're going to look at Baby Dogecoin today, no problem, Guys, do share this content, I can see that not many of you have liked the content. Do like, at least, if you are watching, do like. It's going to help a lot, it's like I'm doing this for you guys. So for you guys, for sure, for you guys. Yep. Soblas, you're gonna be one of the richest crypto investor in Nigeria. Don't bother. Soon it's gonna happen. So let's just dive right away to look at that coin. Okay, Bitcoin has just done. Let's look at Zo. It says XYYO. SYO is up 24% from yesterday. Oh boy. I didn't buy it. Honestly, I didn't buy it. Maybe I would have bought it. I would have been up 24%. Oh boy. Yeah, it makes sense. It has to make sense because of what I mentioned earlier, yesterday about the coin. I was planning to buy the coin, but I don't want to follow the pump. Let me look at it on the daily time frame. Let's see. Oh boy, today this coin has been this coin has been a monster today. Oh boy. So okay, now guys, I'm gonna buy this coin. Let me give you guys where I want to buy this coin. I'm not gonna rush by any means to buy this coin. This is the daily time frame. Let me bring the Triangelo. Yeah, I'm not that guy who rush and buy stuff. This is the daily time frame for this coin. All right. And the target for this coin is going to hit the 800 EMA. Yeah. All right. When it hit the 800 EMA, what I want to see is a coin to retrace. I don't know where, or when. I'm gonna wait for retracement for the coin to retrace back to the Betong moving average. Like what happened here, before this pump. I'm gonna wait for the coin to retrace to to this moving average or retrace to the 50-day moving average, or at least is the 18-day moving average. This pump to me is not sustainable. Now, if I go to the 4 hours time frame, it just proves my point. If you're watching this, take out profit. This is a manipulation. Like right now, this is manipulation by the market maker. So if you're watching me right now and you're investing in XYZ, at least take half of your profit and you're gonna buy when you see price retrace back to this moving average here, like this moving average reset. At least maybe it should kiss the, because I've been seeing that as a moving alongside the 5-day and the 13-day moving average. So you can buy back at least to an extent if it gets to those moving averages. And you can see they are here. They are just around here. Look at it here. Look at where these moving averages are. So you have to be cautious when you are buying stuff like this. Don't just look at it and conclude that this is gonna go up forever. No, it will never go up forever. And this is what I teach on my platform. I don't like. I have a plan when I'm buying any coin. I share one of my videos today in one of my videos that I made, long time ago, and I realized that video was really an awesome video to share with my community. And this video is all about you understanding market structure, understanding crypto, understanding project, understanding why this is happening, and looking at this pump. If we go back, I'll tell you that the other pumps has been somehow okay, but this one pump now is the market maker trapping. And this is what happened with CRB before it dump. Maybe the coin is gonna pump like that. Okay, no doubt. But you have to be able to cash out some profit at least. So be in profit. Then the ones you have, like just allow it to ride, right? And if it retraces back, you buy again cheaper this time around. So I will not recommend me to buy this right now because it's pumping. No, I'm gonna wait for a retracement back to this moving averages. If it comes, if it doesn't come, then it can go. There are so many of these coins out there. I'm not gonna go to focus on one. Oh no, we talk about this product. Yeah, we talked about this yesterday. Okay, now let's go back to um like let's look at what some other coins are doing, like Quant also is pumping today. Solana actually has just moved to. I bought Solana actually, and I'm gonna make my money from Solana. Solana has made me lose some money. Also, I bought the RB, it made me lose some money. Let's see, Solana is doing well right now, but Solana has cost me some. I was trading spot with Solana, and it has been doing me shakara. Um, Jimmy, where are you watching from? Where are you watching from, Jimmy? Jimmy. In Swedish they call it Jimmy. Actually, we don't have much time, guys, but I'm gonna um try to show you guys this. I wanted to show you guys some news, so let me go to the news because part of what I wanted you guys to see is more of this today. You know, like what is going on with the news. You see, this guy says, just look at Bitcoin difficulty. I'm out. This post was made. What year was this? This post was made in 2000 in February 2021. No, sorry, February 21, 2011. So in 2011, Bitcoin price went to how much? Um to 0.80 Bitcoin. And this guy says he was gonna buy let's go to that exact date on the chart. I think we can do that. Yeah, I think we can do that. Let's do that. Let's try to do that. Let's go to that exact date on the chart for Bitcoin. Let's see if say we can get that data. Um let's see exactly on that date what price Bitcoin was. Let's go Bitcoin. I believe I want to believe I'm gonna be able to get that. I think most of these exchanges were not back then when this happened. So let's see if I can look at this on not Binance. Let's just begin with Binance to see if say Binance can give us that. Let's see. Let's look at the monthly time frame for Bitcoin. Let's refresh this. Let's see. No. Instead, I think we can see this on Coin Market Cap. Instead, let's go instead on Coin Market Cap and look at this. I think we can see this instead there, not um. So let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price. Let's see. From the all time. Yeah, all time. Back in 2011, what date was that? Let's go and check on the date. That was February 21st. February 21st. Let's see. As now we are on February. Wow, that was right. Oh boy. This February 22nd, 20th. Let's look at let's look at this. February. Okay. Wow, that was correct. Wow, guys, these guys saw that price. The reason why I'm showing you guys this is because I want you to understand something. This guy sold Bitcoin. Like this guy sold Bitcoin. He said, "I'm going out. I'm going out. Just look at the latest Bitcoin difficulty. I'm out." He went out at this price point. Imagine that this guy is looking at the price of Bitcoin right now from 2011. Wow. Imagine that we knew about Bitcoin 2011. And this is the same thing happening now. Like what happened back then, the same thing happening now. Look at, for example, a coin like Aussie. Let me go, like most of you don't understand, like the reason I keep on mentioning like Audi and the other coins are out there. Audi moves with Bitcoin, and Audi is almost similar to Bitcoin and is in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Like not similar in the terms of the functions, but I'm talking in terms of the tokenomics. The tokenomics of Audi is similar to that of Bitcoin. So let's look at Audi right now. And looking at Audi right now is going to make you guys to like, wow, where Audi left and where Audi is right now is gonna be amazing. So having Audi before, like Audi was the Audi price back then, it was like looking at Audi price right now, this amount, this is nothing. Like this is nothing. You know, some people are gonna bring the chart of Audi, you know, and did what just like what just happened back then. Like look at this. Let's go back. You see, in 2023, this like last year around, let's go back. Okay, around um the eighth the 8th month of last year, all the price was $3.60, right? And after that, let's keep going. My mouse just freeze. Let me fix this right now. Um, my mouse doesn't want me to. Okay, it's back now. So looking at the let's see yeah, in wow, on the 9th month of last year, 24th. on the 24th, the price of OD was $3.50. And after that moment, what is the price of OD right now? This amount. And now many people are looking that OD is gonna come back to maybe to this area. No, OD is not going to come back there. It won't. Why? Now look at this. Look at the tokenomics of OD. The security supply of OD is 21 million OD. The total supply of OD is 21 million OD. The max supply of OD is 21 million. That means everything OD is in circulation as we speak. Everything. So if everything OD is in circulation as we speak, meaning OD can get to $1,000 from where it is right now if there's high demand of OD. And why should it be that people are gonna buy OD or want to OD? Go and understand what OD is all about. Understand Bitcoin inscription. Understand the Satoshi or Sat, all this good stuff. Like if you go understand what OD is all about, the BRC20 tokens, Bitcoin ordinance, you're gonna understand everything. The total amount of Bitcoin is 21 million, and one can be subdivided into the same with OD. So it's the same with OD. Now go to another token which is in the same Bitcoin, the same Bitcoin ecosystem category. This is SAT. Let me show you like something you have not seen or no one is talking about it to you guys because they don't want you guys to get the juice. Now this is SAT. Look at this. SAT has how many? 2 million. It's the 2.1 trillion SAT. That's the total supply. The max supply is 2.1 trillion SAT. But now the fully diluted market cap is 1.1 billion. So looking at the total supply, max supply, I'm not able to see the okay, we have the security supply yet to be 2.1 trillion, meaning everything is out there in circulation. Everything is out there. So don't be surprised to wake up someday and see SAT become $1 this year. Yeah, this year. I repeat it. Don't wake up someday and be surprised to see SAT become $1 or 1 cent at least. Now, when we look at the overall, what is actually the price of SAT right now? And where was the price before? And can price get back there? Of course. That's what price is doing, going back there to where it was before. So getting this bad boy is going to mean HODL. And when Bitcoin is moving, this bad boy also is moving. From the all-time high, this coin is down 14%. Another bad boy I want to show you guys right now, which is more of like HODL, is Stacks. Okay? Stacks. This also is one of the coin in the Bitcoin ecosystem, and you're going to be surprised or shocked to see that this coin can get to about $5 or $10, from where price is right now. Okay, now you might be saying that this is impossible. Of course, it's okay to say that it's impossible. It's fine. But if you look at how far this coin has pumped from when it was launched, this coin is up about 1,000% from the all-time low. Like the all-time is 1,000. So this is nothing. Looking at what cryptos have done before, and the retail investors haven't yet even come on board, right? So now, where do you want to place your bet? Where do you want to HODL? Where do you want to buy? Like, if you are HODLing any coin, which coin should you HODL? Like, looking at that, the Zo X Zo what with that this guy, my guy, Yimi mentioned, I can trade that coin. I'm not going to HODL that coin. I'm going to HODL coins that when you look at the way they retrace back, they don't retrace back like that drastically. I'm going to HODL those such coin. But I want to trade coin that moves, like that has high volatility. Like what we saw with this Zowat, the pump like that. I'll cash out my profit and now wait to accumulate more order. So you have to be able to look at price or crypto in a lens that will help you make a lot of profit. Now, Yemi says, in crypto since 2021, and I've made 100K off Doge, Baby Doge, and Shiba over that spam, but the market crash sent everything body back to square one. I'm here hoping to do better than before. Yeah, I was there also. I've been in crypto even more than that, but I was like really active in crypto from 2021. I think, yeah, from 2020 to 2021, something like that. And I made a lot of money and I lost like everything. I lost everything. And this taught me a lesson, and that is the same reason why I'm here, trying to educate people. You don't have to make the same mistakes over and over. If say I would have understood Bitcoin, crypto, the market structure, technical analysis, more fundamental analysis, I wouldn't have lost everything I made in the market. Now I'm gonna keep almost like 90% of what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna keep it. You cannot keep 100%, of course, but I'm gonna keep 90% of my profit. I'll keep it this time around. I won't give it to the market makers. That's why I take this so serious, so passionate about this, because it is also a way to prepare people out there who are part of my community that they don't get burned. You don't get burned. I don't want to see you get burned. I want us all to be able to make money. You see, I'm happy to meet someone like Jimmy Duhan, yeah, who is from the United States, Virginia, but originally from New Jersey. Of course, someday we're gonna meet. I'm planning to come to the United States soon, like somehow this year. But I'm gonna be in Maryland. I don't know if say Virginia is next to Maryland. I'm gonna be in Maryland or Ohio. That's the area where I'm gonna be, Maryland or Ohio. So if say Virginia is close to those areas, I've never been to the state before. It's gonna be my first time to be there. So I think Jimmy is one of the, like, I think I should have Jimmy here on the show. Like we should have you on the show. Jimmy, let's have you on the show. I don't know what you think. We can talk. I don't know if you're part of my community, you are part of my group. If you're not part of my group, maybe you can join my group. The link is found below this video. From there, we can chat on Telegram. I can, reach out to you personally so we can have a show together. I think having someone like you on the show who has gone through the same experience as I am or as I have been through, I think it's gonna be awesome for the community, and this is gonna, confirm what I always say to people out there. Um, it's not all about making the money. You're gonna make money, guys. Trust me, you're gonna make money. There's lots of money. What we are seeing here is nothing when it comes to the bull market. Like the retail investors are not yet in the market. They are not yet in the market. When they're gonna come in the market, the gains you're gonna see. Oh boy, it's gonna be like dangerous. You're gonna see your portfolio, like everything will pump. But the question is, are you gonna know when to say, "Oh, enough is enough. Let me cash out this profit"? And for you to build such mindset, you need to start now. Those of you who are watching on Facebook, like this content. If you want to be part of my community, the link I found below this video. And those of you who are watching on YouTube, guys, do like as well. And if you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe. I can see that you guys are watching, but you don't like the content. I don't know why. Don't you like the way I'm dressed today? All right. So I think to an extent, guys, let's just rush and look at what is going on with Bitcoin. Before we can call it a go for today, let's look at what the alpha is doing. I had much to say today, but I don't know. It's like we are out of time. Okay, now Bitcoin just invalidated my move. Okay, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go right now and do what I should do. Right? What should I do? Hmm? I want to sell most of my altcoins. And the reason why I say so also is because looking at this was a divergence. You can see this was a divergence. And price wasn't able to hold and price has eaten all this vector candle. Now, I want to believe that this also is a vector candle that price is going to eat it up. So if this is a vector candle, that price we're going to eat this vector candle, it means that the market makers want to push price back up. And looking at what the Trendillo is doing right now is still pointing up. It means that they're going to take price back up. This is just a liquidation game, right? What they are doing right now. I think before I go, I have to look at this. It's very important I look at this so you guys can see it with me. And this is the liquidation heat map. Let's look at the liquidation heat map. Let's see where we can expect Bitcoin to move to. Because if say we're just here talking about Bitcoin and we cannot see where Bitcoin can move to, then we are just like playing some stuff here, like playing a game that we don't want to play, right? So this is the liquidation heat map. Let's look at this. My computer is taking some time to load. Let's look at this. Let's see what we got. It's okay, guys. I'm sorry about this today. It's just so freezing. Usually, it doesn't have to be like that. Let me see if my CPU is hot. Yeah, my CPU is hot. I think I need a fan to be blowing up my CPU. Okay. I'm gonna try to refresh this again. Let me see if this time it comes. Hopefully it's not come. So we can get the data of the liquidation heat map on Binance. While we wait for that, I think, okay, why is this not coming right now? This doesn't have to be like this. I don't know why this is freezing, guys. I think I'm gonna change my browser. I want to bring in Safari yet for tomorrow. I think Mozilla and Mozilla. I'm using Mozilla, not Mozilla. I'm using Google Chrome right now. I think Chrome with my OBS Studio is freezing. Like they don't correspond with each other. It's like they don't see eye to eye eyeballs. They are fighting for energy. So I think that's the reason. But I wanted you guys to see the levels where we can expect some pullback for Bitcoin. But I don't know why this is. Oh boy, I'm not happy now. This is somehow it's crazy. It's crazy. I'm not able to get to see this. Anyway, guys, let's go back to the chart and look at the lower time frame. Let's see what we might expect here. Okay. Looking at this right now, let's just look at okay. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So, if say you did, like we want to be sure of what I just mentioned right now or today. Let me see. I don't know why this now also is doing this. Let me see if I can. Okay, go back to 1 hour. Okay, now looking at these vector candles, guys. One thing I want us to understand is these guys have come and recovered all these vector candles, and price now is gonna be above, like it's trying to be above this 200-day, sorry, this 50-day moving average, and it's still above the 13-day EMA. Also, look at here. You see, there's a hammer here. Like let me zoom in a little bit so we can see. There's a hammer formation here, and this hammer formation would have been a buy if say you saw it, right? And now it printed this vector candle. So this candle has been eaten up. I want price to move back up during the opening of the US session. If price is able to stay above these moving averages, like the alpha trade, you can see The alpha trend didn't point any sell signal on the daily time frame, only buy signal on the daily time frame. It pointed only sell signal. But I want price to stay above this the alpha trend and should stay above this moving average, the 50-day moving average. If price is able to do that, if price is able to stay above these moving averages, then we can expect some movement. And for as price is playing around this area, I want also to see that the trendilo we set back towards the middle, you know, on the 1 hour time frame. So that's what I want to see. Because it's like they are playing a game here. Maybe this candle is gonna turn red. Let me go to this. It's gonna turn red. Yeah, it's already red, right? Looking at this on the 15-minute time frame, the rules or the game here of the vector candle is price have to go and clear all of this vector candle, like eat it all again. But looking at this move, it's just based on what happened. You can see it even eats all this one, and you can come and eat this other vector candle here. You can see a huge spike down, then a huge spike back up. So I think that looking at this and also altcoins like Ethereum is doing well. You can use this movement to like get some altcoins, cash some altcoin move. Like Solana pumped, all of those altcoins it pumped, it was good. It was good. It was good. Right. Yeah. Yeah. So that's what I want to also see today. And I will not tell you to dump your coins. Don't dump it. HODL the coin that you believe haven't yet pumped. And if say you have some cash, then for you to sell it, buy it when it's cheap, buy when it's cheap, and have most of your asset in Bitcoin and Ethereum, then some in USDT. And when Bitcoin is playing like that, when you see it dip, you can buy more of your altcoins. Then when it goes to the upside, you sell. When it comes down, you buy. So I think I have to see Bitcoin. If Bitcoin close below this area here, this zone here, below this area here, close below the alpha trend, then I'm gonna sell most of my altcoins. That's what I'm gonna do, anyways. All right, guys. I think this is it. Voila. Oh boy. I'm happy I was able to do this in one piece. Oh. So I have to go now and do something else. I can see, let me read some comments here. Top Black says, I just knew, yeah, I'm scared by what in cryptos. Okay, Mint layer is building something under. We won't make same mistake twice, of course. Jimmy Do, I'm not promoting anything, but I just went to the car dealership yesterday and met a dealer who is a middleman on Ethereum, and he mentioned an event happening in Denver this week. That is the website sent me to for the particular event. They said the event is next gem event. Again, I'm not promoting anything and didn't even unfortunately that the link won't show. I have streak. You wouldn't know my viewers won't be able to see the link, and maybe if you send a link, my bot can can kick you out of my channel. So you know I try as hard as possible to restrict links and stuff to limit um you know scams. There are a lot of people out there who send phishing link and all that stuff. So I'm trying hard as possible to protect my community, and anything link is gonna be eliminated immediately. So you won't it won't go. I think maybe you have noticed that you try to send link, it didn't go. Yeah, so that's it. Anyways, hopefully guys, we had a good show and enjoy yourself. See you guys same time tomorrow. Have a good day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.